Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the resource, scaffold and the scaffold controller. What exactly the term defines, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this command will help you to give you the overview what the commands we have. So if I go to the terminal and just run this one, so it will give everything like active record, stimulus, test unit cases. And here we can see that the rails we have an option that application record, integration test, generator, controller, and here we have a scaffold controller, resource, right? So this is we are going to learn what exactly they have. Okay, so this command will help you to generate the models, controllers, helpers, jbuilder, job, mailbox. So these all are help you to generate that one. Okay, so before this one we have just in this video we have to learn this one, so what they exactly do. Let's go to the video one. So here we have the resource, scaffold, scaffold controller. In Ruby on Rails, the terms resource, scaffold, and scaffold controller refer to the different Rails generators that help you to set up and manage different parts of application, particularly when dealing with the RESTful resources like CRUD operations. Okay, so Rail generate resource. What it will do? The resource generator creates a new resource in your application, setting up the model, controller, routes, and basic migrations, but without generating views. Got it? It is without generating the views or fully functional controller. Okay, so Rail generate resource product name. This is that one. So if I am not going to go to move the product, I will go with the anything that is product or items. I will go to call with items and let's see what exactly it is doing. Okay, let's try to run it. Let's check it out. So what it will create? Migrate file it created, model is created, test cases are created, controller is created, uh, views. Here you can see the app views items, only folder I think it's created. Let's go and check. And if I go to that one, we have the view section where it is items is created, but the rest of the files are not there. So what exactly they have mentioned, but without generating the views or fully functional controller. Okay, so it's not generating the views, correct? So what it generates: model, controller, migration, routes, test files, nothing else. Okay, now we have the next one, that is Rails generates scaffold. Scaffold generator is more comprehensive. It sets everything you need: a fully functional CRUD interface for a resource, including the model, controller, views, and routes, everything. Okay, so let's try to generate it. Previously, we have the items. We will make it another one. Which one? We can products, orders. Just we have to check all of this, right? So let's try to generate this and let's see what we have. So migrations, models, test cases done, resource is done. Okay, scaffold controller, app controller, orders controller is Ruby done. All the views are done. Resource route is done, test cases, everything. JBuilder also. App views, orders, index, JSON, this one. So everything it will create. So let's look into that one. Model, controller, views, migration, route, and the test files. So everything full CRUD interface quickly include basic views, controllers, actions, and routing. Everything is there. If I try to run Rails server, what it will come? Okay, just R is missing now. So if I just go and just open the link, migrations are pending to resolve the issues. Okay, I need to run the db migrate. All right, Rails db migrate is missing. So let's run it. Rails db migrate. Okay, done. Now run. So let's have a look. We have the products, or what, the last one which we have created, scaffold. With scaffold we have created orders. Let's see. Orders we have orders. So new order. So here you can see that I can add the price, 12, stock quantity, this one, and create order. Order was successful. If I go and check, let's reload this. Let's add the details over there, orders. Okay, this one. And here you can see that this order is created. So don't need to do anything, I suppose. Everything is there, right? So orders is there. You can edit this order. So you can edit, make it price 120. Just update the order, and if I just go over here, you can see that the 120 is updated, right? You can edit this order back to the orders. This is the order list. Okay, now you can create the new one also. So you can see that the full-fledged CRUD operation is automatically built up, right? You don't need to do anything. Rest of you can see. So it's very nice feature, I think. Okay, so let's move to the next one. We have the Rails generate scaffold controller. Okay, so the scaffold controller is similar to the scaffold, but it generates the controller, views, and the routes. It does not generate the model or the migration, which we have already discussed in the last video. Okay, so Rails generates scaffold product. Okay, so it will generate controllers, views, but controllers with all the CRUD actions, app views, and all. Okay, routes and the test files. Okay, so we have a summary. So the difference is resource, basic setup for the RESTful resource, model controller routes migrations, scaffold, full-fledged CRUD operations. Okay, scaffold controller generates only the controller and the views for resource, assuming the model and migration is already exist. If I just go over here, Rails generates scaffold controller, it assumes that let's make it will not generate the model, right? So last one is not generate the, assuming the model migration already exists. If I just go over here, it will suggest me that already created, right? So already discussed in the last video, so I think don't need to run it. So it will give you that one. Okay, so if any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.